If I'm going to give something to someone else that's valuable, that I know that they would appreciate because I know that they want it, they need it, something they've yearned for it. If I'm going to give it to that person, I'm going to want to know that what I have given to them is being safeguarded, valued, treasured, appreciated. So Hashem, before he opens up to pour down, which again, it's always coming down, but before it fits into the vessel of my requests, Hashem's going to do what we call bedek bait. And he's going to take a little bit of an inventory to check to make sure that everything, all the brachas, all the light, all the healing, everything that I have requested and that I have received, and every single one of us, if we really sit down, there's so much beauty in our lives. It's not all that bucket list of the things that we manifest, which is one of the reasons why we say in our tefillot, She'imsachen v'chesed be'einecha u'be'einei kol ro'ayinu. What does that mean? We ask Hashem, everything that you give to me, may it find favor in your eyes, right? Chen, it should find favor in your eyes. Verachamim, it should come from a place of compassion. Why? Because we don't want something that's not good for us. And who has our back? Hashem. Because he created us. Because he designed us and he formed us. He knows better than us. It's like the child who wants the 10th candy. There's a part of us that wants to not say no. And there's a part of us that says, I'm not cleaning up that throw up after the 10th candy, right? So we understand what it means to hold back for the greater good. And when we can understand and we can align and say, you know what, Hashem, I am asking for this. I'm asking for X, Y, and Z. And be specific. This is what I want. And the reason why I'm specific is because that's the channel through which I'm asking you, Hashem, to send your light, love, and compassion to show me that I matter, to show me that you're listening to me, to show me and share with me your abundant good that I know that you have, en sof, to no end. However, there always has to be one extra ingredient, which the world does not share with us. I call it in Or Emunah the Hashem factor. When we manifest as Torah teaches us to manifest, that little sprinkled ingredient that's the most important is, but may it find favor in your eyes.